Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Honda CRV Toy is probably one of the most exciting miniature vehicles you can find for kids and collectors alike. This detailed replica captures the essence of the iconic SUV, offering a fun and engaging experience. Whether you're a die-hard Honda fan or simply looking for a cool toy, this CRV model promises hours of imaginative play and display potential. Number 5. DEERC 116 High-Speed RC Car. Introducing the newly upgraded high-speed remote control car. It features larger tires and redesigned threads for a stronger grip. The included brush and drawstring pocket help keep it tidy. Everything you need for fun is in the box. This RC car comes with two 7.4V 850 mAh batteries, providing over 40 minutes of driving fun. The chassis is made of durable nylon, making it the perfect choice for RC truck enthusiasts. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control system, it offers proportional throttle and speed control. Adjust the speed and direction easily. The remote indicator light confirms successful pairing, opening up a world of adventure for all racers. The monster truck boasts two powerful motors, achieving speeds over 40 km/h. A metal heat sink enhances motor heat dissipation, extending its life. Remember to pause intermittently after 15 minutes of driving to let it cool down. With an independent suspension design, this high-speed RC car handles any terrain. Metal springs on all four wheels provide support. The harsh environment cannot stop your racing journey, drive it where you want. What we like. This RC car boasts impressive speed and can tackle various terrains. It comes with two batteries, ensuring extended playtime. If you are looking for a thrilling off-road experience, this is the perfect choice. It's designed for those who crave adventure and excitement. What people say. The doors open. The wheels roll. The trunk opens. Number 4. iPlay, iLearn Construction Site Playset. These vehicles are made of strong, die-cast metal, built to withstand rough play. They're designed to last, ensuring your child can enjoy them for a long time. The realistic design helps kids learn about machinery. It shows them how things work in the real world, sparking their curiosity. The excavator rotates, the dump truck unloads, and the bulldozer bucket rises. These features help develop fine motor skills. It's excellent for role-playing games and sandpits. This set encourages imaginative play, allowing them to create their own construction site adventures. It's a great gift for birthdays and holidays. Give your child a construction gift that creates endless happy moments. What we like. This construction playset is built with durable metal, ensuring it can withstand rough play. The realistic design allows kids to learn about machinery. If you have a young child who loves construction vehicles, this set will provide hours of imaginative fun. It's a great way to encourage creativity and role-playing. What people say. I love how realistic they are and that they're made of sturdy metal. They are very detailed with great craftsmanship. The metal vehicles feel solid and well-made, much sturdier than plastic alternatives. The dump truck, excavator, and backhoe all have moving parts that work smoothly. Number 3. Scosche MagicMount Pro 2 Magnetic Phone Mount. This is the Scosche MagicMount Pro 2. It's a versatile magnetic mounting system designed for your phone. You can easily secure your device to various surfaces in your car, home, or office. The strong, automotive-grade base ensures your device stays in place. The cradle-free design means you don't need to clamp anything. Just hover your phone near it, and it locks securely. It uses extra powerful rare earth neodymium magnets. These magnets are 30% stronger than standard mounts and are completely safe for your phone. You can even use it with your iPhone and wirelessly charge at the same time. Enjoy the 360-degree rotating design. You can adjust it to get the perfect viewing angle, whether you're driving or a passenger. It's easy to adjust on the go. This mount is designed for MagSafe. You can securely attach and wirelessly charge your iPhone 13, 12, or later models. Please note that the MagSafe case or charger is not included. It's backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and lifetime limited warranty. Get yours today and enjoy a safer and more convenient way to use your phone. What we like. This car mount features powerful magnets for a secure hold and can be mounted on various surfaces. The 360-degree rotation allows for optimal viewing angles. If you are looking for a convenient and reliable way to mount your phone in your car or at home, this is the ideal solution. It offers flexibility and ease of use. What people say. Sturdy and perfect for a limited space cup holder in my Honda Fit. The adjustable base firmly tightens into the cup holder, and the MagSafe compatible magnet firmly holds the phone in place. The magnet is strong and holds my phone firmly, even on bumpy roads. Simple yet effective MagSafe mount. Number 2. Maisto 2017 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Diecast Model Kit. This is an officially licensed replica, featuring authentic styling and branding from the original manufacturer. It's a true-to-life representation of the real car, capturing every detail. The model boasts a durable die-cast metal body, complemented by detailed plastic components. This combination ensures both longevity and intricate detailing. The design is highly detailed, with realistic exterior styling and interior features. You can see the craftsmanship in every aspect of it. It features free-rolling wheels, allowing for smooth movement whether for display or play. This adds to the model's overall appeal. This is a great gift for both automotive fans and kids. It's a fantastic collectible item that is sure to be enjoyed by anyone. What we like. This model kit features a die-cast metal body and realistic details, making it a great collectible. It's an officially licensed replica with authentic styling. If you like to collect model cars or are a fan of the Chevrolet Camaro, this model will be a fantastic addition to your collection. It's perfect for display or as a gift. What people say. Great quality, easy to put together. Came out great. Fue muy fácil de armar y no require pintura o herramientas extras, solo un destornillador, la calidad del auto es excelente. Un artículo de colección para los fanáticos de los vehículos. Excellent producto, lo compare para un regalo, vino en buenas condiciones el empaquetado, con todas sus países, todo bien ensamblado, lo volvería a comprar, a mi novio lo encanto. Number 1. Hot Wheels 16 Honda Civic Type R 327-365, white. Today, we're taking a look at this awesome Hot Wheels car. It's a 1 hour 64-minute scale die-cast vehicle, ready for any adventure. The car features a sleek white finish. This gives it a clean and modern look, making it stand out in any collection. This model is part of the 2017 Then and Now series. It's a special edition, making it a must-have for collectors. This is number 1 of 10 in the series. This car is a great addition to any Hot Wheels collection. It's also number 327 out of 365 cars in the 2017 Hot Wheels line. This car is a true gem for any enthusiast. What we like. This Hot Wheels car is a 1 hour 64-minute scale replica of the Honda Civic Type R. It features a sleek white finish and is part of the Then and Now series. If you like collecting Hot Wheels or are a fan of the Honda Civic, this is a must-have. It's a great way to celebrate your passion for cars. What people say. Great for a just because gift or as an extra on a gift basket, the quality is good and the details are perfect. Everything was in excellent condition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.